Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we have my Boxycharm for the month of October, and it's my base box. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription that costs $25 a month for the base box. They also have a premium and a luxe box, but today we have the base box here. If you like makeup beauty subscriptions, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and see what's in the box here. This is my base box, and first impressions opening the box is a little card on top, and it has the theme of the month on it, and it is called Spellbound. On the back is a list of the products and also their price points for you. So let's go ahead and pull out the first item here, and it's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. And this was actually my choice item for the month. It's a highlighting serum, and let's see, Ultimate Glow and Brightening. Okay, so I really like how on the back of this, it not only gives you regular instructions, but also when you wear makeup, how to apply it. So that's nice that they put that on the packaging for us. Let's go ahead. It's taped at the top. We'll go ahead and get this open here. Okay, and it is in such a cute little like pink iridescent bottle. Let's see if it actually smells like watermelon, because that is one thing that I like stuff that smells like fruity smells. I also like floral smells too, but I really like fruity smells. So let's see what this smells like. Wow, a little bit really goes a long way on the skin. It does come out like a pinkish clear color. And it smells like watermelons. I absolutely love that. I like when I put stuff on my face and I just smell it, makes my whole face smell good. Love it. So let's see how much that was valued at. That was valued at $34 for that Glow Recipe. Next up is something I was hoping to get, and I got, so I'm so excited about it, and it's the Ace Beauty palette, and it's Falling For You, and it's fall themed with little leaves all over it. Perfect for this time of year, perfect for this month. We have the fall festivals going on, all kinds of things, so this is perfect. Let's see what the color story looks like. Okay, definitely looks like some fall looks in here. Have names like pumpkin spice, apple, cider, candy corn, just a bunch of fun names in here. So I'm going to get a couple quick swatches of this and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with some swatches for you. Here are the swatches. I think they performed, at least for the swatch test, really well. The mattes were very satiny, like a satin matte. And the shimmers, absolutely gorgeous. My favorite that I swatched was this apple one right here. Love it so much. I like it almost looks similar to what I got on my eyelids today. Maybe a little bit more chromier, but still very pretty. And I have tried their formula in the past and have absolutely loved it. The pigment's there, the blendability is there. It's just an all-around good eyeshadow company from what I've tried so far. So I'm definitely excited to have another one of their palettes to add to my collection. And let's see how much that palette was valued for. It's valued at $34.99. Okay, so that's actually not too expensive, like mid-range price palette. So I can live with that. Next up is going to come in handy for me because I just did swatches. Is this Juliette Beauty, I think it's Juliette Beauty Makeup Remover Towelettes, and it's 100% biodegradable. Has olive oil in it and witch hazel to help calm the skin. So although like I'm not like super excited to get this, I am happy to get it because it's one less thing I'm gonna have to go out and buy. I do prefer the eco-friendly makeup removers, but every once in a while, especially like when I do swatches and stuff, I really like to have some of these handy just to kind of like clean my arm and my fingers up a little bit. so that it smells really good, like a clean scent. So I do like that. It feels pretty good going on the skin. And let's see how much this one's valued at. This one is valued at $20. Woo, that's expensive. I don't know if I'd pay $20 for makeup remover wipes, but I definitely feel privileged that I got the chance to try them. I normally spend around $5 for makeup wipes, but always good to have. Maybe because it has witch hazel in it. I'm not really sure. But there is that one. Oops, I accidentally grabbed two out of there. Now I feel wasteful because it's so expensive. Okay, moving on. I have a Juliette Beauty double-sided wing stamper eyeliner. This one is said to value at $22, which is not too like outrageously crazy. More like mid-range price point though, definitely for sure. We have the soft pastel pink packaging. Okay, and we have the wing stamp on one side, and I'll go ahead and stamp that on my hand for you. The eyeliner side, this is the felt tip liner. It is thicker, but not too thick. It does have a fine point on it for detail, which I do love. Here is, you could always go over it again with the eyeliner on the stamp part just to darken it up a little bit if that's not dark enough for your taste. So moving on to my very last item here is an item from TNT. I think that's how you say it. T-Y-N-T. Tent, maybe? Or maybe it's just T-Y-N-T. Lash and Brow Duo. So as most of you know from watching my channel, if you are new here, you might not know, I love multi-purpose makeup. Anything I can use in more than one different scenario, I absolutely love. So that's kind of neat that they sent this to me. And this one is valued at $29. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like here. Oh, and it has a really neat ombre packaging. It ombres out to a black and to a brown, which is super cute. Let's see what this brow gel looks like. I like that it has a smaller spool on it for fine details. And let's face it, not everybody has those really thick brows. That's kind of what we're going for, a more fuller brow whenever we fill them in. So I do like that it is smaller, so it's more versatile to different eyebrows. And then we have a mascara on the other side, which I typically don't normally open, but I'm opening this one just because I've already opened the other side. It would seem silly not to use them both together. Very nice looking comb on that. It's a wider one, which is more my preference, but not too wide. So I'm going to definitely have to let everyone know how this performs. For those of you who don't know, I do use these products throughout the week. And on Mondays, I do a review and just kind of talk about the products a little bit. So if you're interested in that, be sure to look out for those videos. You could always turn on that little notification bell for easier access to videos like that. But also if you're getting too many, you can shut it off as well. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.